Hi. Technical indicators are one of the major technical tools that help in analyzing the charts. It helps in understanding the ongoing trends and if reversals are going to take place so that we can take our trading decisions accordingly. In StockEdge, there is number of technical indicators available, about which we will be discussing in this video. First is the Simple Moving Averages Scans, that is SMA. A simple moving average, that is SMA, is a technical indicator that helps us in identifying whether the ongoing trend is up or down. SMA is calculated by adding the closing prices of the security for a number of periods, and then we divide the total by the number of time periods, that can be number 50 days, 100 days or 500 days. There are many SMA scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on ongoing trend. One of the scans is 100 SMA crossing 200 SMA from above. That indicates that bearish reversal is going to take place as shown on the screen. Next is Exponential Moving Averages, that is EMA scans. This indicator is similar to SMA, except that it gives weightage to the latest data, and thus it reacts faster to recent price changes than SMA. There are many EMA scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on ongoing trend. One of the scans is Closing Near 200 EMA, that shows the strength of the ongoing trend of the stock in the short term, that is shown on the screen. Next is Commodity Channel Index scans. Commodity Channel Index measures the current price level relative to an average price level over a given period of time. There are many CCI scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on oversold and overbought regions. One of the scans is CCI Bullish, that indicates bullish signal if CCI value has crossed above -100 from below as shown on the screen. Next is Relative Strength Index, that is RSI scans. The Relative Strength Index is a technical indicator which calculates a ratio of recent upward price momentums to absolute price movement. There are many RSI scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on oversold and overbought regions. One of the scans is RSI Trending Up, that indicates a bullish signal if RSI value has crossed above 50 from below, as shown on the screen. Another one is Money Flow Index, that is MFI scans. Money Flow Index, that is MFI, is an oscillator that ranges from 0 to 100 and is used to show the money flow over last 14 trading days. There are many MFI scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on oversold and overbought regions. One of the scans is MFI Bullish, that indicates bullish signal if MFI value has crossed 20 from below, as shown on the screen. Next is Williams Percentage R scans. Williams Percentage R is an oscillator that shows the current closing price in relation to the high and low of the past 14 days. There are many Williams Percentage R scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on oversold and overbought regions. One of the scans is Williams Percentage R Bullish, that indicates bullish signal if Williams Percentage R has crossed -80 from below, as shown on the screen. Next is Rate of Change, that is ROC scans. Rate of change is a momentum oscillator that measures the percentage change in price from one period to the next. There are two ROC scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on price decline and advance. One of the scans is ROC Trending Up, that indicates bullish signal if ROC value has crossed above 0 from below, as shown on the screen. Next is Moving Average Convergence Divergence scans, that is MACD scans. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, that is MACD, is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of prices. There are MACD scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on crossing of MACD lines. One of the scans is MACD crossing signal line from below that indicates bullish signal that suggests that the price is likely to move in uptrend when it crosses the signal line as shown on the screen. Next is Average Directional Index Scans, that is ADX scans. Average Directional Index is a technical indicator that is used for quantifying trend strength. There are ADX scans available in StockEdge that helps in filtering the stocks based on the trend strength. One of the scans is ADX crossing 25 from below that indicates stock is in trending phase as shown on the screen. Next is Average True Range Scans, that is ATR scans. Average True Range, that is ATR, is a volatility indicator that reflects the degree of interest or disinterest in the price move. There are ATR scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on the value of the stock. One of the scans is ATR increasing for 3 days. That indicates that the value of the stock has been increasing since last 3 days, as shown on the screen. Next is Bollinger Band Scans. Bollinger Band Scans is volatility indicator which used moving averages and standard deviation as a measure of volatility. There are Bollinger Band Scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on the volatility of the stock. One of the scans is Close Crossing Upper Bollinger Band from below that indicates uptrend will continue, as shown on the screen. Next is Stochastic Scans. Stochastic Scans is a momentum oscillator that compares the closing price of a security to the range of its prices over 14 days period. There are stochastic scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on the overbought and oversold regions. One of the scans is Stochastic Reversing from Oversold Zone from below that indicates bullish reversal may take place as shown below. Next is Parabolic SAR scans. Parabolic SAR is used to determine a trend's future direction. There are 2 parabolic SAR scans available in StockEdge that helps us in filtering the stocks based on the price direction. One of the scans is PSAR indicating bullish reversal that indicates bullish reversal may take place, as shown on the screen. With the help of above technical indicator scans, traders can easily filter out the stocks based on if the ongoing trend will continue or not. Traders can also combine these scans with other technical scans like candlestick scans for confirmation, about which we will be discussing in our other videos. Thank you for watching the video.